Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope student you all are fit and healthy. So student, I am teaching you chapter number 16. Today date is 6/10/2020 and name of the chapter is Our Surroundings. So student, take out your book, open page number 93. Take one rough copy also, so that when at the time when you are watching the video, you can note down the important points from the board also, and even you mark the important points in your book also with the pencil. Is it clear? So student, I start this chapter. So before starting explaining you, waste material, types of wastage, let do the recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, I started teaching you this chapter with a personal hygiene. And what is the reason behind that? That I discuss personal hygiene with you. Reason is that student, we are how we are fit and healthy. So we are fit and healthy because we are aware of our personal hygiene. What things we have to do so that we are fit and healthy. In the same manner, I want to aware you what should you will do so that your surroundings are also neat and clean. That is the reason I started with a personal hygiene. Okay. In which manner you take care of your body? Personal hygiene. Is it clear? You brush your teeth, you always take a bath, you cut your hairs, trim your nails. These all things you always do it, so that you do regular exercise in the morning also, or you do running or jogging in the morning time. Okay, or maybe you can do cycling also. So in this manner you can keep your body fit and healthy. Before and after eating, always wash your hands because these germs are so small that we are unable to see them with our eyes. ये जो जम्स होते हैं बेटा ये भी लिविंग है, लेकिन ये इतने छोटे हैं, इनका साइज इतना स्मॉल है कि वी आर अनेबल टू सी विद आवर आइज। ठीक है, अगर हमें दिख जाते हैं जम्स तब हम इतने प्रिकॉशन क्यों लेते, ये बहुत स्मॉल है। ठीक है, तो दैट इज द रीजन। जैसे अभी कोविड-19 चल रहा है, ऑल ऑफ देम आर टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस, मेनी टाइम्स इन अ डे they are washing their hands. What is the reason? Because these are so small that we are unable to see, हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि वो हमारे अगल बगल भी हैं। तो that is the reason we are taking so much precaution to keep our self fit and healthy. So after that personal hygiene, then after that I discuss with you domestic cleanness, domestic cleanness था। See, you observe many times when you have a holiday or this time all the time you are in your house, see all the time your mother is cleaning the house. Why she is doing that? Because if the house is dirty, not neat and clean, okay, things are not arranged well, garbage is not thrown in the dustbin, then what's happened? These type of conditions are very good for the germs. So to keep every member of the family fit and healthy, your mother do lot of hard work for that. Is it clear? So in that, after that we discuss domestic cleaning, the toilets which we are using, that toilets are washed regularly, that toilets, sinks of the houses, that also you wash regularly. Is it clear? There is a proper dispersal of a water through the drain pipes, and that pipe should be cleaned regularly. The waste of the houses, that is garbage, is thrown in a dustbin, and that dustbin should be covered also. So these are the things which we discuss in a domestic cleanness. After that we discuss neighborhood cleanness. See, I have already explained you in chapter number, I think 11 or 12. What is neighborhood? If you put one step outside your house, so that places come in your neighborhood, and there are lot of services in the neighborhood. So all these things are our present in our surroundings where we are living. Is it clear? So road, park and grounds, that should be clean, because daily you go there for playing purpose, or we go move from one place to another on road, so that places should be clean. Is it clear? No stagnant water on the road, park or grounds, because I explained you students, stagnant water मतलब जो पानी बह नहीं रहा है, फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है, जिसका स्टैंडिंग है, ठीक है, रुका हुआ वाटर। ठीक है, तो ये हमें घर में भी ध्यान देना है। कभी कभी होता है कूलर में वाटर रह गया, ठीक है, कोई बकेट है, कोई मग है या पॉट से हम लोग पेड़ लगाते हैं, ठीक है। सो वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग, देयर शुड बी नो स्टैग्नेंट वाटर इन द हाउस आल्सो एंड आउटसाइड द outside in the neighborhood places or in the surroundings also, because this is a breeding place of mosquitoes, and there are lot of diseases due to the bite of these mosquitoes. Is it clear? So we should take care of that. we sh- so student, and garbage of the house that should be thrown in a dustbin. Okay, so I have already explained you the functions of the municipal committee and municipal corporation in the small cities and towns. Municipal committees work for the welfare of the people living in that community. So the municipal trucks, they are coming and regularly they take that garbage which is collected in that dustbins. They take that garbage in the municipal trucks, and outside the city in a open ground there is a proper dispersal of in a proper manner. This waste is disposal of this waste. Okay, and after that, now student, now we today let discuss community hygiene. What is community hygiene? So places like hospitals, railway station, bus stands, so all these picture halls, or you can say malls also, so these all are the these all are the places which are present where we are living. So here also we have to take care of all these things. जैसे मैंने आपको प्रीवियस कम्युनिटी सर्विस चैप्टर में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था बेटा, व्हेन यू गो टू द रेलवे स्टेशन और यू गो टू द एयरपोर्ट और यू गो टू बस स्टैंड, picture halls or malls, anywhere, see you will observe that there are lot of peoples are working there to keep that surroundings clean. Railway station, we know that if we want to go or if we want to catch a train, then we go to the railway station. But observe that why these places are clean, because there are many people who are doing work at there, and they are the peoples who are providing you the facilities all the time. They have regular duties, they cleans the platforms, railway tracks also, railway stations also, and maintain the hygiene of that place, because many peoples from different cities are coming on these railway stations. So these types of a places should be clean. Is it clear? So there are many peoples in the same manner. In the airport also you will observe that lot of cleanness you will see in airports. So who is doing that? There are many peoples who are doing job there, and their job is to make that surrounding neat and clean. In the same manner, in the bus stands also, in malls also, and in picture halls also. So student, what is our responsibility? हमारी responsibility क्या है? Don't think that they are doing their job. ये उनकी ड्यूटी है, they will clean. So as a good citizen, आप भी उनकी हेल्प कर सकते हो. You can also help them. By how you can help them? We can help them by following the rules. ठीक है. कहीं भी आप जाओगे पब्लिक प्लेसेस में, आपको देखो डस्टबिन्स मिल जाएंगे, पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो हम उनकी हेल्प, वी नो दैट इज देयर जॉब टू क्लीन देम, बट वी एज ए people or as a citizen, we can also help them to keep these places clean. Don't throw the wastage anywhere you want to throw. अक्सर आप देखते हो रेलवे स्टेशन पे है, बस स्टैंड पे लोग खाते हैं, रैपर्स फेंक दिए, बचा हुआ खाना ऐसे ही फेंक दिया. तो दैट इज नॉट गुड. एनी वेस्ट थिंग यू मस्ट थ्रो इन द डस्टबिन, क्योंकि डस्टबिन है, वहां से म्युनिसिपल कमेटी के ट्रक्स आएंगे, दे विल कलेक्ट द गार्बेज एंड टेक दैट गार्बेज फ्रॉम देयर इन द ओपन एरिया फॉर द प्रॉपर disposal of that garbage. But if you start throwing the things anywhere, so it is good, it is not good. We should follow the rules. अगर हम सब रूल्स को फॉलो करें तो we can also help them. Is it clear? If we as a good citizen, if we follow all these rules, then we can also help that peoples also in keeping the surroundings clean. Because the most important thing is that if these types of places are not clean, then what's happen? All people will suffer. All the people will suffer due to different types of diseases. Okay. So student, always follow the right rules and help other, because as a good citizen you must help them in making the surrounding clean. Now open page number 93. Page number 93. Cleanliness plays a very important role in keeping us healthy. अब तो आप लोग को इतना समझ में आ गया होगा कि हम फिट एंड हेल्दी तभी नहीं रह सकते हैं व्हेन वी आर एज ए अपने को ही वो करेंगे. आप सोचते हो कि हम डेली सब कुछ पर्सनल हाइजीन मेंटेन कर रहे हैं तो हम फिट एंड हेल्दी हैं. नो बेटा, ऑल द टाइम यू आर नॉट इन योर हाउस, मेनी टाइम वी आर आउटसाइड द हाउस. In these surroundings, as a student you have to go to school for 5 to 6 hours. So if these places are not clean, then what's happen? Is it possible that you will fit and healthy? No student, it is not possible. आपने अपने क्लासेस में भी देखा है ना, there are lot of mosquito. तो व्हाट वी डू, ऑल आउट हम यूज करते हैं. वी आर यूजिंग ऑल आउट इन द क्लासेस आल्सो, दैट लिक्विड, so that the mosquito do not bite, because there are many diseases due to the bite of the mosquitoes. So student, we should help others also and to keep the surrounding clean. We take a bath, brush our teeth, wear clean clothes every day. A healthy body also needs a clean environment also. Okay. So what are the places where you are living? That places should be also neat and clean, then only you will be fit and healthy. See, from so many months school is closed. Why? Due to COVID-19. These germs are so small that we are unable to see with the eyes. That is the reason it is also advised that if it is very emergency, then only you go out from your home, because you are more safe when you are in your homes. So student, at this COVID-19 time, have you observed that many of our habits change? So we are, maximum peoples are following the instructions which are given by the government. Maximum peoples are following, because we know that it is a very dangerous virus and many people lost their life due to COVID-19. Okay, so we as a good citizen, we should help others also to keep the surrounding clean. Now see student, a healthy body also needs a clean environment. Now thus hygiene and sanitation play a very important role. That is the reason I start the chapter with the personal hygiene. That is the reason I start the chapter with the personal hygiene, so that you realize that, you understand that so many things we are doing to keep ourselves fit and healthy. So the same things you can also do to make your surrounding clean. ठीक है, अपनी सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन करने के लिए भी आप हेल्प कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अब देखो, डर्टी सराउंडिंग्स हेल्प इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ जर्म्स, जो मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बताया है. क्योंकि जो डर्टी प्लेसेस होती हैं, ये समझ लो फेवरेट प्लेसेस कह लो जर्म्स की. जैसे स्टेगनेंट वाटर है, सबसे ज्यादा मॉस्किटो यहीं ब्रीड करते हैं. ठीक है, सो काजेज, देखो, डर्टी सराउंडिंग हेल्प इन ग्रोथ ऑफ जर्म्स दैट काजेज डिजीजेस लाइक कॉलरा, टाइफाइड एंड डेंगू. कॉलरा में क्या होता है? डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ द बॉडी. इज इट क्लियर? टाइफाइड है, इट इज ड्यू टू, अगर आप क्लीन वाटर, बाई चांस द वाटर विच यू आर ड्रिंकिंग दैट इज नॉट क्लीन. सो मैंने आप लोग को बोला था ना, वाटर प्लेज अ, वाटर इज नॉट ए न्यूट्रेंट. ये फूड चैप्टर में मैंने आप लोग को बताया था, वाटर इज नॉट ए न्यूट्रेंट लाइक अदर न्यूट्रेंट्स, फैट्स, प्रोटीन, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate, but it is a very essential for our body. It helps in the digestion of the food, in the digestion process also. More than 60-70% of our body contains water, and not only we are taking water by drinking water, the foods which you are eating, vegetables, fruits, in that also, in this manner also you take water inside your body. Is it clear? So typhoid, unpurified water, if you are water which you are drinking that is not purified, then you will suffer with the disease of typhoid, high fever. Okay, and how we now see student, due to advanced technology things become very simple now. Now you go to the doctor, he will give write you a that take a test of your blood, and from the blood test many diseases we are able to know with the help of our blood test. And after seeing the blood test report, doctor give you the medicines. You are suffering from which type of a disease. And dengue, it is also very dangerous, and it is also how it happens, it also happen with the bite of a mosquito. ये भी मच्छर के ही काटने से होता है. Is it clear? So dirty stagnant water is the breeding ground of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes cause malaria also. ठीक है, इनका ब्रीडिंग ग्राउंड होता है ये पानी में ही. ठीक है, जो एग है इनके पानी में, जहां स्टेगनेंट वाटर होता है वहीं मच्छर पैदा होते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए बोला है कि ये इनके क्या है, डर्टी स्टेगनेंट वाटर इज द ब्रीडिंग ग्राउंड ऑफ ए मॉस्किटोज. मॉस्किटोज काज मलेरिया. दिस इज आल्सो अ डिजीज विच इज काज ड्यू टू द बाइट ऑफ द मॉस्किटो. ठीक है, इसमें भी बहुत हाई फीवर आता है, ठंड भी बहुत ज्यादा लगती है. इज इट क्लियर? So, and how we come to know all about these diseases? With the help of our blood test. After seeing the report, doctor write the medicines. Now see student, open page number 94. Waste materials. Now let discuss. See student, daily you will observe there is a lot of waste. When your mother is cutting the vegetables, or many things you are buying from the market, they are packed in a cartoons. So in this manner there is a lot of waste. So what types of waste? Waste refers to those things which have no use. वेस्ट हम उसी को बोलते हैं ना जो चीजें हमारे यूज की नहीं होती हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो अंडरलाइन दिस, पेज नंबर 94. वेस्ट refers to those things which have no use and are not needed anymore. Underline it. I am writing on the board also, and you underline it in your book also, because in the examination the question can be asked from any line. आप ये मत सोचना कि बुक एक्सरसाइजेज आएंगी बस. बुक एक्सरसाइजेज पे डिपेंड रहोगे, यू आर अनएबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द चैप्टर आल्सो. डायरेक्ट आप क्या कर लोगे, उसकी क्रैमिंग कर लोगे, कोई फायदा नहीं है. और मैंने ऑलरेडी तुम लोग को बताया कि टेक वन पैराग्राफ and from that paragraph start making question. And if you are unable to frame a question, then frame the question in the form of a fill in the blanks. So in this manner you have a better understanding of the topics. Okay, don't only think that book exercises will come in the exam. Waste refers to those things which have Okay, so what is a waste? Waste refers to those things which have no use and are not needed anymore. Okay, thank you student.